Hey guys, it's Devin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my makeup routine for my sophomore dance. You can just use this for any dance, any special occasion. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be moisturizing my face with this Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer, the combination skin. I'm just going to put that all over my face. Now that I'm moisturized, it's time to go in with some primer. And I just got this yesterday. It's the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Wow, that's weird. It's like jelly. I'm just going to put that where I have pores, which is like on my T-zone. I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Redness Control, the green one, on the rest of my face. Since I guess this is for my dance, I need it to stay on while I'm dancing. Now that the rest of my face is primed, time for foundation. For foundation, I just got this Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour foundation. I never used it yet. Still stuck. And I got it in the shade 112 Natural Ivory. I have all my foundations are darker than my skin tone. Like none of them match my skin tone at all. And so I needed a foundation because I don't want to look weird in pictures. So I'm going to use my beauty blender. I'm going to wet it a little bit. I'm going to wet this, my beauty blender, with the Mario Badescu facial spray. And then I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand, like so. Hello. That wasn't a little bit. That was a lot. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender, and my mirror is right here, and I'm just going to put it on and see. I never used this before. This actually matches. It feels weird getting ready and not listening to music. I'm so hungry. I just want to eat. That's actually really pretty. Now I'm just going to take like the rest of it and blend it down. My neck, just make sure it's blended with the Y6 brush from Morphe. I'm gonna sneeze. God bless me. God bless me. I think I'm going to do my eyebrows because when I put on concealer, it's going to crease. And so I'm going to have to put powder and everything else on. And then I feel like it would ruin everything else, like when I do my eyebrows. I'm gonna have to use my Anastasia one. And it's just like all messy. I got a liquid highlighter. It was from Revolution and it spilled all over everything. So I'm using this in the shade Taupe. Don't know, but you get what I'm saying. And I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Eyebrow concealer in the shade Fair. I just got this yesterday too, to carve out my eyebrows. Okay, so those are my eyebrows. They're definitely not sisters, not twins, not even like cousins. They're like fifth cousin maybe? I'm getting them done like in a couple days before the dance. They're gonna look better than this, but that's the best we can do. So now I'm gonna do concealer, and I'm gonna use the same concealer that I used to set my eyebrows. Remember that this is for my dance, so I'm like obviously going in more heavy. I wouldn't normally like put this much on. And then I got like a little bit of blemishes. I'm gonna cover them up. Of course I got them like right before the dance too. Now I'm gonna blend it all in with my beauty blender. I'm just gonna wet it a little bit more just to make sure it's still dampened. I always like to work from the bottom up. I don't know why, I just do. I always get these weird lines on my nose, so I'm just gonna put some concealer there. And then I'm gonna set it. If I don't set it right away, it will crease. I'm like this eyebrow. This guy's like so annoying. Like my eyebrows are never even ever since I got them done at this one nail salon. So now I'm gonna set it on my face with this Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. And then under my eyes, I'm gonna bake with the Coty Airspun powder. And to set it, I'm just going to use this black beauty blender. It's a little bit damp. You don't want it as damp as what you put on like with your foundation and concealer. Just a little damp and it'll work perfect. I'm just going to put a little on the beauty blender and set my face. A little bit dark. I got it in the shade 15 and it is so dark. Like I don't understand it. Like I can't even set my under eyes with it because it's way too dark to do that. And now I'm just going to take this Morphe M439 brush. Just take a little bit. Shake it. Do that. And then put it on my neck just to make sure that's set. I'm going to take this like big e.l.f. brush. I don't even know if they sell this anymore. I got this a while ago. And then I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder and then bake with that with the same black beauty blender. I'm just baking wherever I put my concealer and wherever I get oily. I get really oily around my nose for some reason. But I also put concealer there anyway, so. And if you hear that in the background, that's just my nephews. I think they're in the tub right now. Okay, we're gonna let that sit. And while that's sitting, I'm going to contour my face and also put eyebrow gel on my eyebrows because I forgot to do that. I'm gonna use this Shella, I don't know. I got it from Ipsy. It's a eyebrow defining gel. It's clear. Just gonna set my eyebrows with that. And then I'm gonna contour my face using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Just like bronzing up the face with this Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. Even though I'm using it to contour, it doesn't look like a foundation brush. It's like perfect for contour. Like how is that foundation? I don't know. I love bronzing my forehead so much. Like a 3. Like, whoop, whoop. I'm waiting for my boyfriend and I don't know where he's at. Now that I'm all bronzed up, I'm gonna blend it. Oh crap, that's not his bronze. I'm gonna blend it with this brush. So my boyfriend just got here and I'm baking. You know I'm ready. Hi. How do I look?
Beautiful.
Stop. Get out of here with your non-waves.
So, can I ruin your video now?
What do you mean?
I'm about to put all this music on so you can get copyrighted strike.
No. Now I'm blending this all in with this big fluffy brush.
Now she's gonna blend it all in with
Stop.
the fluffy brush.
Now you're just gonna ruin it.
I'm not gonna ruin it. I'm making your video better so you can get more views.
Yeah, you're gonna be my thumbnail.
My video's doing bad.
I know.
Hey, you can change the angles.
And I'm like taking off the bake while I do that.
I'm pretty sure your angle changed like 8 times.
Except for my under eyes and right here.
I watched all the YouTube tutorials on how to be a good YouTuber, and this, you just messed up all your natural light. You can't use lighting with natural light.
Then turn it off. See how bad that looks?
Because you already got natural light then.
Stop yelling! Make me food, please. I'm hungry. And now I'm going to highlight.
Oh, I got 89 subs. Hey.
Stop! Okay, for my highlighter, I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Eclipse. Woo! Stop! You're so annoying.
I didn't do anything.
You was copying me. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics brush in the number 11. I'm gonna wet it. Like that's so pretty. Like I really can't. Anybody else see that Jeffree and Manny are talking again? I want to put on my nose. I love a good nose highlight. Make me food. No, like I'm actually really hungry. Like,
I'm hungry too.
Can you please make me like grilled cheese or something?
I bought you something to snack on.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, but I kind of ate it because I got hungry on the way. But it's some left for you. I bought this for you. Like it was originally bought for you.
But you ate it. What is it? Thank you. So cute.
Devin, get off
Wait,
your glasses.
they actually look cute. Put them on.
Not these ones. These are my ugly ones. My black ones look cuter.
These are black. Are you dumb?
No, those are blue.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, they're blue.
Oh, now that's all highlighted and glowing for the gods. I'm gonna wipe away this bake under my eyes. You're making too much noise. Ew, you're getting sugar all over me.
Look, my swim teacher taught me how to swim like this.
Don't do it. You're annoying. Now I'm like blending all the powder into my face. The bake. I'm blending all the bake into my face with this Luxie 514 blush brush. And then I'm blending it all in. And before I move on to my eyes, I'm going to just spray my face with this. Ew, get away. And I'm gonna like pat it in with my beauty blender. Where'd it go?
Right there.
Ah, good job. I'm gonna pat it all in and then it makes it less cakey.
Oh. Where's all the stuff to make what you want?
Okay, I'll be right back. I have to go show where everything is to make grilled cheese. Okay, It's like 20 minutes later, and now I want to do my eyes. But for the look, I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502, the Second Nature palette. I just got this yesterday in that Ulta store. I didn't even know they had them in there. I know they had like Morphe at Ulta, but I didn't know it was there. I'm going to do one eye. I'm going to do this eye first, and then I'll come back to you and then do the second one. Okay, so I finished this eye. And I really like how it turned out, and I'm going to show you how to do it on this side. So as I said before, we're using the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette. And first, I'm going to start out with the shade all the way on the top right. It's called Universal, by the way, the shade. And I'm going to take this like elf brush. I'm just going to take some on my brush and then kind of put it in my crease, like all over. Now I'm taking the shade Orb, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to use this blending brush, just a random one, and then put it in my crease. And then blending it with this brush. I really like this brush, and this is such a good blending brush. Now I'm taking the shade Heat, which is this one right here, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe M433 blending brush. Really good brush, and taking a little bit, and I'm just placing that right in my outer V, and then bringing it in a little bit like that, and then I'm going to blend it with the same blending brush I used for the other shade. Now taking the shade Fire, which is this one right here, on this Luxie 249 brush, and I'm using this side, just taking a little bit of that and then placing it in my outer V, but more inwards on my eye than the shade Heat. And now I'm just going to blend it with the other side of the brush. And I'm going to make sure it's blended with this brush that I use to blend everything out with. Just going to make sure everything is blended. And now I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called In the Zone. And I'm going to take it on a little Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number, but it came from the black and white set. And I'm just going to put that right here, like right next to the glitter that I'm going to put. And push it out a little bit, like that. And I'm going to blend it with the Luxie 249 brush, the blending side. And then on the other side of the Luxie brush, I'm going to take a little bit of black, just a little bit, and I'm going to put it right here. That was a little bit of a lot. The black is kind of hard to blend. I'm going to take this Morphe M433 and just blend it out. I'm going to take this Stila Glitter and Go liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust. It's literally so pretty. And I'm going to put it on this little brush, just this little brush. It doesn't have a name on it, so I don't know where I got it. And I'm just going to put it on my lid about like halfway, like I did with this one. And then when it reaches about there, I usually just take some off the brush and then kind of blend it in with the eyeshadow. And now I'm going to take this brush that I use for like the black and the other shades, kind of take some off and just make sure everything's blended. And now I'm going to use this brush. It doesn't have a name. And I'm going to take the shade Pure, which is this one. Can you get away? And I'm going to put that on my brow bone and on my inner corner. And then I'm going to blend it all in.
You look really beautiful, by the way.
Thank you. You're so sweet. Why do you look like you did something wrong? And I'm going to take the Luxie brush, and I'm going to take this shade first, called Risky, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Stop staring at me! And then I'm going to take the shade Chestnut, which is this shade right there. I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to blend it. I'm going to put mascara on, the Roller Lash by Benefit. And that is the final look. For lips, I'm going to use the MAC Retro Matte lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo, or B46, the prettiest red. And I'm just going to put it on my lips. And that is the final look for my sophomore dance tutorial, or for any dance, any special occasion. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications if you want to see more videos and to let you know when I upload. And make sure you watch the video from a couple days ago when he did my makeup and when my nephew did my makeup also. So be sure to watch them, give them a like, and comment what you want to see next.